Tonight I'm heading out to my book club. We're supposed to all bring something. This is also for book talk. So if you have a book club night and you want something super delicious, super easy to make, this recipe's for you. And for book club this month, I made everyone read Fourth Wing by Rebecca Yarros. I'm obsessed. I've already read it twice. I may read it again before the second book comes out on November 7th. I'm really excited. So I can't wait to talk about that, but we're gonna jump into this. We're making a pear and fig flatbread. I'm gonna start by slicing the figs. Literally all the slicing you have to do. So now, once you've sliced your figs and your pears, you're gonna take your flatbread, which in this case I have naan bread, and you're just gonna put it on a tray. And then I warmed up my goat cheese. It's by Vermont Creamery. It is the honey truffle goat cheese. I warmed it up a little bit so it's super easy to spread. And then you're gonna spread each across your entire flatbread. Spread cheese like so, super small amount. We're going to take the arugula, a little bit, not a lot because it's super bitter. I would say like 2 pinches like this, maybe a little bit more. You're literally gonna start spreading out the figs and pears. Now we're gonna do the figs, spreading out the figs face side up if it's an end piece. No real wrong way to do it. You're just gonna make it look beautiful. Here it is. Super easy. And this is gonna go in the oven for like maybe 10 minutes at 325. You just really want it to like more warm it up versus bake it because the naan's already good to go and everything. You just don't want it to be like crusty. So I just cut them really quickly. Little pizza slices. Last touch, you're really gonna take honey and just drizzle it on top and you're done.